What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to go over a couple of my Gunpla supplies that I got recently, and yeah, show you guys some really cool things that I'm going to be using this coming up month on a build challenge that I'm doing. So yeah, let's get into it. So, what did you guys think of my intro? I hope you guys liked it. I had a couple people when I did my premiere say that it was really cool, so I like kind of engineered something similar. And yeah, so I hope you guys liked that. And yeah, so some other news is the camera that you guys are on up here. I had a GoPro for the one that was like looking down, like at my computer desk right here when I do unboxings and stuff. And I decided to upgrade that into another Sony ZV-E10, like the one that you guys are on right here. So that second angle has a second camera, and see, the quality is just a lot better. So yeah, I figured that would show you guys that, and yeah, so let's get into it. All right, so I did actually do a unboxing of this, but the video was crap, and so we're kind of switching it around, and I'm just gonna. So I had to re-record it, and instead of doing an unboxing, I'm kind of just gonna show you guys what I got. So this is called the Wow Stick drill, and it's really cool. I haven't really messed with it yet, but I'm excited to try it out, and yeah, so you guys will be able to definitely see this in action on my upcoming streams, since I now have two of these Sony ZV-E10s. So it's just basically like if you guys have ever used a like a pin vise, it's kind of like that, but it's electronic. So yeah, you guys can kind of hear it. But yeah, so these just go right into it. And for me, I'm using it to do some kit bashing and stuff. So I have to drill some holes and stuff like that. But it's generally good all around. So yeah, you guys, it's just it's a little rechargeable, and I got that on eBay. The link will be in the description below. So that was something that was really cool, and it's just rechargeable, and it's about the size of a pen. It's a little thick, but yeah, it's rechargeable. It's really cool, and I will be doing a review of it on my channel. So yeah, now, so I've been really waiting for this one. I have never used the Gaia notes before, and I've really been excited to try it out. So with this new build that I'm going to be doing, the challenge build for the Gunpla Builders USA page, I needed some white and black and the gloss, because I have a bunch of like white and blacks and stuff from Mr. Hobby, or from Mr. Color. But I really have been wanting to try the Gaia notes for a really long time. I heard great things about it. And so I have the gloss white, the gloss black. I have the, what is this? The 104, the gloss green. And then I have not the gloss green, I'm sorry, the fluorescent green and the fluorescent blue. And they're all glosses. And then I bought some of the EX black from their EX line, which is like high capacity. So it's like, you know, made for like bigger models and stuff. And then I also bought the EX clear from them. That is also a gloss. So the next, the build that I'm doing requires some gloss. so yeah, that's pretty cool. And then I bought the Marisol flight unit because I have an aerial coming in from the Witch from Mercury. So I got that. And then also for my build, I got some softback sanding sponge sticks too. So yeah, so I hope you guys are excited for that. I'm going to pull you back up on my main camera. So anyways, guys, I'm really upgrading like a lot of stuff. As you guys can tell, like it was really important for me to get two really good cameras, because I want you guys to be able to see what I'm doing back on my Gunpla desk over here and right inside this spray booth right here. because when I'm actually like spraying and everything, I want you guys to be able to see that in detail. You know, I bought a second camera, which is the same one as this, like you guys just saw, and it's just amazing. Like I want really high quality streams, and I figured I'd show you guys something else as well. Oh yeah, so I added some pretty cool things to my stream, so I can do things like this now, which are pretty cool. But if you close your eyes... So it's just little buttons that I have on my stream deck here and everything, and yeah, and I'll show you one more that's really cool. So anyways, yeah, that was just a short clip of a couple things that I have going on my streams. Yeah, so they're pretty cool. They're interactive. So I will be moving those over to my Gunpla desk streams. So it'll be really nice to have both of these cameras over there. One for the spray booth, one for the, you know, the actual desk space. So you guys can really see in detail. But anyways, yeah, so that's pretty much my update for this video. I will be doing live streams of my upcoming challenge. So I hope you guys are excited for that. And so yeah, as always, if you guys like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button down below and tick that bell so that you get notifications when my next video goes live. Thank you guys so much for watching. Rebel Spartan TV out.